So how to factory reset your iPhone. Before doing that, make sure to do a backup of your iPad or iPhone, and then after you have done that, you will be able to perform a factory reset. Just to be sure, so this action will completely wipe your device. So that's why having a backup beforehand is really important. So in order to reset your iPhone and iPad, just go to Settings, then General, and go to Reset in top bottom. Here you will have all the options, so you can only reset all settings on your iPhone. In this case, your content won't be deleted. Or if you want to reset and wipe out all information and all content, you can click Reset all content and settings. Then you will need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm the action, and then your iPhone or iPad will just wipe everything off of its storage, and after that it will just go to the initial setup screen, which you have seen firstly on your device. So this is how it works. After you have done that, you can just basically can start setting up your iPhone from scratch, or you can just sell your iPhone. I don't know, you can do whatever you want. But yeah, this is basically how it works. And also you can fully reset your iPhone or iPad through iTunes, but this would be in another video. Thanks for watching.